dear students. Today we have discussed the remaining part of index number. Today we have discussed the family budget method of index number. Dear students, under these, the formula is P01 is equal to summation RW divided by summation W. So, dear students, first of all we will find out R. R is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. After that we will find out W. W means weight. Base year quantity multiply with base year prices will be equal to weight. After that we will find out RW. So R multiply with W, that's RW, and the summation RW. W summation is also, and both value put in the formula, then question will be solved. Clear beta? See. Construction of cost living index by family budget method. So the formula P01 is equal to summation RW divided by summation W. R equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. W equal to P0 into Q0. That's your question beta.
Start.
The question is given. That's your Q0, 200, 50, 56, 20, 40, 50, 60 or 40. P0 base year price 1, 3, 4, 20, 2.5, 10, 2, 15. P1 current year price 1.2, 3.5, 5, 30, 5, 15, 2.5 or 18. Dear students, first of all we will find R. The formula P1 divided by P0 into 100. P1 1.2 divided by 1 into 100 equal to 120. 3.5 divided by 3 equal to 116.67. 5 by 4 equal to 100 equal to 125. 30 divided by 20 equal to into 100 equal to 150. 5 divided by 2.5 into 100 equal to 200. 15 divided by 10 into 100 equal to 150. 2.5 divided by 2 into 100 equal to 125. 18 divided by 15 into 100 equal to 120. After that we will find out W. P0 into Q0. P0 1 into 200 is equal to 200. 3 into 50 is equal to 150. 4 into 56 is equal to 200. 20 into 20 is equal to 400. 2.5 into 40 is equal to 100. 10 into 50 is equal to 500. 2 into 60 is equal to 120. 15 into 40 is equal to 600. That's a W. After that we will find out RW. That's your R, that's your W. So you will multiply R with the W. 200 into 120 equal to 24,000. 150 into 116.67 will be equal to 17,550. 200 into 125 equal to 25,000. 400 into 150 is equal to 60,000. 100 into 200 equal to 20,000. 500 into 150 equal to 75,000. 120 into 125 will be equal to 15,000. 600 into 120 equal to 72,000. That's your summation RW. 0.50. 0 0 5 8 0 3. That's your summation W. 0 7 2 2. After that we are apply the formula P01 equal to summation RW divided by summation W. So P01 is equal to summation RW 308500.50 divided by summation W 2270. So P01 equal to 135.9. That's your answer. Clear? See once again, construction of cost living index by family budget method. Formula P01 equal to summation RW divided by summation W. R equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. W equal to P0 into Q0. Q0, P0, P1 in the question is given. So first of all we will find out R. The formula of R P1 divided by P0 into 100. That's P1, that's P0 and into 100 will be equal to these. So same as you will find out R. After that we will find out W. It's a multiplication of base year quantity and price. That's your base year quantity and that's your base year price. So both multiply with each other, then W will be find out. And that's your summation W. After that we will find out RW. That's your R and that's your W. So you will multiply R with W, then you will find out RW. And that's your summation RW. Both value put on the formula P01 equal to summation RW divided by summation W. So P01 equal to summation RW 308500.530 and summation W 2270, and both multiply with both divided with each other, then the P01 equal to 135.9. That's your answer. Clear beta? So that's your family budget method and that's your questions. You will solve out all the questions on your fair copy. If you have any doubt, then you can take the all doubts immediately. That's your question number 1. Find index number with family budget method. That's your Q0, 10, 15, 9, 7, 20, 22 or 25. That's P0, 3, 4, 1, 7, 6, 2, 8. P1, 8, 2, 9, 7, 3, 10, 4. That's your question number 2. Find index number with family budget method. That's your quantity Q0, 20, 25, 18, 17, 15, 30 or 35. P0, 8, 5, 3, 9, 6, 4, 2. P1, 7, 9, 10, 2, 8, 6, 4. So the both question you will solve out with the help of family budget method. So dear students, you will solve out the both question on your fair copy, and you will complete your fair copy, and you will send your attendance in a group. Clear beta? And if you have any doubt, any question, then you can take down. Thank you very much beta.